Alright, so welcome back to Pinoy Screencast for another tutorial for Adobe Illustrator. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is basically inspired by this artwork by Chad Michael of dribble.com. And as you can see here, meron siyang badge na create. It's very minimalist and some simple repeating object. Basically, yan yung idea ng gagawin nating artwork. So here, on Illustrator, ito yung basic na ginawa ko, and we will run it down to come up with this kind of output by creating a new file and new natin badge, and size is custom 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. So I usually do pixels for web lang naman, and if you're going for printing, dapat i-inches nyo or other measurements. Here, color mode RGB and screen size 72 and press OK. Right, so unang gagawin natin is yung star na effect niya. Basically, meron siyang 10 sides. Ang gagamitin natin is yung star na tool by clicking it and clicking it sa center and holding yung shift and alt. So, pwede yung i-drag yan. Ganyan. Pwede yung i-release yung alt and then shift nyo lang. Tapos pwede yung i-press yung control. So as you can see, nag-iiba yung corners or yung pinaka-edge nung pinaka-sides natin. So mas lumiliit siya. And then release nyo lang. So there. After that, kailangan natin maging rounded yung corners niya. Selecting it, Effect, Stylize, and then Round Corners. Here, click yung preview. As you can see, yun yung effect na in-apply niya. Another one, we will create a circle. And then, sa gitna lang, ganyan. Tanggalin ko yung fill na white by pressing slash sa keyboard. So, pwede natin i-align to sa center ng artboard. So, by selecting the two, group ko lang. Then, here, align to artboard. Click ko, center, and then center. Pwede ko ungroup ulit. Naka-stroke lang to. Ang gagawin ko is talagyan ko ng 100 pixel and stroke dash convert ko. Kailangan ito papasok dito sa loob ng star effect na yun or yung pinaka-badge natin. By doing dash line, pwede ka mamili kung center, inside, or outside. Kung sa akin, default lang na center. Yung settings ko is 10 point and 13 point yung dash and yung gap. Yung dash, syempre ito yun, laki niya, and yung gap is yung 13. By selecting it, pwede kong gawin is 1. Gawin kong 350 yung stroke size niya by dragging it here. As you can see, pag drinag ko siya paloob, medyo nagkakaroon dito ng problem. Ang gagawin lang natin is going back to stroke. Pwede kong adjust to. And then, gagawin na natin ngayon is we will put this in front and we will fill it with black. Tanggalin natin yung stroke naman na white. X and then slash. So this one, kailangan natin i-expand by clicking object and then expand appearance para fix na siya na naka-badge yung itsura niya. Select yung dalawa, kailangan nasa ibabaw yung pinaka-badge and then right click, clipping mask or control 7 and there. So as you can see, nagawa niya na naka-masking. So again, create ulit ako ng circle. So I'll fill it with black. Center ko lang ulit. So by selection and then click ko lang. Gagawin natin is ito, kailangan merong stroke na black and then this one white and this convert natin into 40. Yan. So pwede ko resize, liitan ko ng konti and there. Ang next natin is gagawa tayo ng path within sa loob niya. But here, Control C, Control F. So drag ko lang paloob, tatanggalin ko yung both fill and stroke. So X and then slash. Ito yung magiging nalagyanan ng text natin. So, ito yung size niya. Going to the text tool on path and click na lang. So, sa aking big Gothic ang aking font and tinaasan ko yon to 36 muna. Ang gagawin natin is Tagalog and then character then all caps. Alright? So, select nyo lang and then ito makikita nyo, meron siya ditong pwedeng i-drag. So, again, select ko lang, pwede kong lakyan. Alright, and then Control Enter para ma-deselect and V. So, drag ko lang siyang ganyan. Now, kailangan natin meron siya dito ulit na text. So, gagawin ko, duplicate ko to. Control C, Control F. Pero yung sinalak ko na yon is ilalak ko by Control 2 para malak siya. Ita-type ko na ngayon yung isa pang text natin. Learning is fun. Yan, nakaselect. So, this one. insert natin siya papaloob. Right here, kita nyo, pag in-adjust ko siya dito, sakto siya. Yan, halos same na sila ng itsura. Right, so there. Gagawin naman natin next is yung paikot na parang dash rin na ganito, na pero mas manipis siya. Merong dalawang ways. Pwede yung gamitin na rin yung ginawa natin kanina na pag-apply nitong parang sunburst na effect natin, di ba? Pero, I'll just do another technique, which is yung usual na ginagawa ko. Like on my previous video, drag ko lang to na ganyan. Na holding yung alt, center na lang. So, pwede kong i-zoom para lang makita natin na mas mahigit. Yan. Drag ko lang na ganyan. So, pwede ko pang liitan yan. Yan. So, drag ko lang din sa ilalim. Then, shift nyo yung dalawa. And then, control G. Press R sa keyboard. Drag ko siya na ganyan. Layo ko lang siya ng konti. And then, hold nyo yung Alt. And then, release nyo yung left click sa mouse. And then, yung Alt. So, mauna dapat yung left click. Then, selected to. Control D. Spiral lang siyang iikot na ganyan. Next natin is kailangan natin ma-select lahat to. Pwede yung gawin is by manually nasa-set na ganyan. Pwede natin gamitin is yung lasso tool. Yung lasso tool, pwede kong iikot na ganito and masaselect na lahat yung mga yan na nadaanan ng lasso tool natin. And pwede ko na i-group ngayon to. Pwede yung pumasok sa loob kasi na-group ko siya. I-delete ko yung isang section nitong part na to. Yan. So, pwede kong delete yan. And then, going back outside. Pwede ko na ngayong mag-create ulit ng another text. So, T. And then, drag ko lang sa center. Yan. And then, yung so, litan ko lang ng konti pa. Gawin ko 60 rin. Yan. And then, i-drag ko lang ito. So, nakita nyo, medyo hindi sumasakto. So, ang gagawin natin, i-adjust natin ito. Palayo. Para meron siyang space pa para mag-move. So, next natin, 2010. So, drag ko lang yan. Pwede kong lakihan, holding shift, control, and then shift and alt, control. Drag ko lang ganyan. Drag ko lang ulit. 10. As you can see, gawa na ngayon niya. Last natin is yung parang triangle effect dito. So, pwede kong gamitin itong polygon tool, then V, R, rotate ko lang na medyo naka-point if I want, like that. Diba? And then, gagawin ulit, duplicate natin, click, pwedeng Control C, Control F, or hold Alt, and then drag nyo lang sa ilalim. So, ang gagawin nyo ulit, select nyo yung dalawa, group nyo. R ulit sa keyboard, and then drag kanan or pakaliwa. And then hold Alt, and then left click, release, and Control D. So, that's okay for this demo. So, again, so lasso tool, yan, and group. So, there. And then, ang last natin is this one. Kailangan natin duplicate ulit ito. Control C, Control F, and then R. So, drag ko lang na ganyan hanggang sa parang duplicated siya. Transparency natin. While selected yun, gawin kong 50%. Makita nyo, nag-iwan na yung itsura niya. But just to finish this up, ang kailangan lang natin gawin is yung shadow niya sa likuran. This one, ellipse, and then drag lang ako. Okay. So, selected yun, Control C, Control F, and then drag nyo naman palabas. Ganyan, nasa likod siya. Gagawin natin is yung blending tool. Click nyo lang sa gitna, and this one. Kailangan, opacity niya is 0, and nakaselect siya na white. Let's create lang ako ng ganyang background, yung blue. So, pili na ako ng color here. So, this, blue, yan. And then, drag ko lang dito. And then, drag ko pababa ito para matanggal. Yan. And then, linear to radial. And then this one, shift bracket. And then, pwede mong adjust yung gradient natin. Mag-boost yung white na parang lumalabas sa likod niya. Yan. So, one way para baguhin yung kulay ng inyong artwork or ng inyong object is by selecting all the layers na gusto nyo baguhin yung color. So, in case here, I lock the background and yung shadow para hindi mo select. So, sinelect ko lang lahat ng layer ng badge natin. And then, click nyo yung recolor artwork. Once na mag-load to, as you can see, meron lang akong black and white na ginamit. Pwede kong baguhin yung black. So, by just simply dragging this one, diba? As you can see, sa background ko, nagbabago na yung color nung black ko. And ito yung current, and ito yung new. Once pag naka-uncheck to, hindi siya makikita. So ito yung parang preview niya. So here, pwede kong baguhin something like green. Pwede nyo rin baguhin, edit niya. So pwede nyo i-drag here. So if you're satisfied with the color, pwede nyo nang i-unselect yan. Yan. And then, press ko lang OK. And then, automatically, nag-change na yan. So we can go back and forth by just doing the same thing. By selecting it and then recolor. There. So as you can see, pwedeng adjust yung color na nito para magmukha pa siyang medyo lighter like this one. So ginawa ko lang itong gray, medyo grayish para lighter siya. So yung shadow pwede natin adjust na medyo bukasan natin. Pwede natin 50 or 70. So medyo dikit natin siya doon sa mismo edge. Yan. Para talagang nakalapat siya doon. Alright. So that's it. And ganun kasimple yung paggawa ng badge na to, and hopefully you've learned something here on this tutorial and different tools kung paano sila gamitin. See you on my next screencast.